Hello and welcome to Mastering Microsoft Power Query video series. This is video number 19. Here we're going to talk about the final type of join, right anti-join. Without much ado, let's get into the Power Query editor window. Let's load the data set and let's understand when do I have to go for this particular join type. All right, so let's go ahead and load the data and let's try to understand this right anti-join, which is a final type, and get it right. So remember that right outer when you did, you got the matched records of the right side table and the unmatched records of the right side table. So whenever you need only the unmatched records of the right side table separately, then you will go for right anti-join. So let's load the data and let's try to get the understanding right practically. So we're going to go ahead and launch the Power Query editor, data tab, get and transform data group, get data, launch Power Query editor. In the Power Query, let's go to the new query group, new source file, Excel workbook, and we're gonna go ahead and choose our right anti-join type, and we're gonna use the same data set so that the understanding goes better. And we're gonna load both these tables, and we're gonna click OK. And because they are simple, straightforward, no transformations are required, we're gonna directly agree the promote header and change types steps. Let's go for the merging, but before going for the merging, let me give you the situation over here. So we want to know which are the material IDs which have been planned for the production, but we don't have the cost for them. That means I want to get only those material IDs which does not have a match in the material cost table. The one which are present only in the second table, not in the first table. So let's go ahead and do the merging. You will get the understanding right now. So home tab, combine group, merge queries as new. And my top table is going to be the material cost, and the bottom table is going to be production requirement. The common column is the material ID, and the type of join is the final one, right anti. You can see the rows only in second table. We click OK, and we get the new one created, and we're going to expand this table. We're going to say we don't need the order ID, but we need the material ID. The rest of the things we're going to click OK, and these are the material IDs which are planned, but we do not have the cost for them, and that's what is right anti-join. So this is amazing that when we have such a requirement in business, and it's if you're aware of all these type of joins, you can pull up this data as a separate report, and you can tell them, hey, these are the material IDs you guys have planned for which we do not have the quote from the vendor, so please hold on until we give a green signal for it. Okay, so with which we have come to the end of the merging queries concept and the type of joins concept. I hope you got all the join types with good clarity. Watch those videos again and again to get a better understanding. So we'll meet again with another interesting input. Until then, take care of yourself. Signing off, Hariharan.